This is 3-hopper automatic filling machine. This system with uploading toner powder and with 3 hoppers to filling, and also 3 weight scan sensor and counting control by feed switch together. Now I'm showing how to operate this machine. First, we turn on the machine. And then, for uploading toner powder, one time is 20 seconds with suction around 20 kilograms. But before you're uploading, you must make sure the 3-hopper filling mouth is closed. I'll stop suction. After suction the toner powder, we must remove the filling mouth. Press this green button. There are little toner powder in the small mouth here will fall down, so we use this blue bucket to collect. And press the start to mix the toner powder. Okay, we are showing you how to fill bottle. And from the touch screen you can see this is 100 grams. After you fill 100 grams, it will automatically stop. Okay, so let me try for the toner bags. Okay, now show you how to fill in bags for 1 kg. This weight scan sensor head you can adjust like this, but be careful, don't let this scale center fall on the floor. It's easy to be broken. You can according to the height of the bag and adjust the head. And now we are only filling 1 bag, so we only let one work. And we are setting for 500 grams. And the other 2 we must stop. Okay, so we press the feed switch and start. And you can see here I have 1 white tube. This white air tube is suction flying toner powder. Okay, finished.